In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on the Kalshi app. As you can see, if you go to the App Store, you can actually download this app, and what it is you can basically make bets on certain real-time questions and just predict the odds of certain situations. So as you can see, if we open up the app like so, you can go on the Explore tab and see a bunch of the different options of probabilities, and you can actually put real money on these actual equations like so. As you can see, you can put yes or no on these, and if you go to your portfolio here, you can see what I have actually placed money on. Or if you go to the search bar, you can actually choose different topics. Now they have a bunch of different topics. They have health, world, climate change, elections, and financial, just crypto. Just you can bet on pretty much anything using this app. Now, as you can see, you can simply just click on one or even search for something you want and click on the yes or no option. You can click on one and it will actually show you how much you can trade on certain things. As you can see, you can click on yes, and when you click on yes, let's just say I want to bet the S&P will close between this price range today. You can put $50 or even more, and then you just click on submit, and it will actually make you make a deposit if you do not have enough cash in your app. So you just click on this, and you can simply connect your bank just by, I'm going to show you, going out of these settings, clicking on more, and then you can simply just click on the option add funds in the top middle. And as you can see in the top right, you can simply click on your bank account's name, and yeah, use the Kalshi